Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. Merry Christmas to you guys, man. I am recording this video on Christmas, but of course it's gonna release the next day. So hopefully you guys had a good time, man. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you got any colognes for Christmas, man. I want to see what everyone got. My mom got me Dolce&Gabbana The Parfum and Invictus, like the big bottle of the original one, but Macy's had other ideas. They released two Dolce&Gabbanas like 2 days before Christmas. I bought them on Monday and they arrived on Christmas Eve. So let's unbox them and let's review the new Dolce&Gabbana The Ones. In case you didn't know, this one is new. This one's called Dolce&Gabbana Parfum, and this one is still the Eau de Parfum but reformulated, and they claim that it lasts way longer, so we'll do this one last. And let's start with the newest one. This one's like actually new, like a new fragrance, you know, so let's do it, man. Of course, these are Christmas gifts from me to me. I'm extremely grateful that I can afford every new cologne that comes out, man, because you guys support me a lot on my sampling website, which allows me to buy the new colognes with my own money, you know, with the money that I make. So don't think I got PR, don't think I get this for free, man. I still buy all of these with my own money. But here it is, the new Dolce&Gabbana Parfum. So bottle design is obviously similar, it's the same thing, but the color is the one that is different, man. The color, this one looks a lot more red, a lot more darker. And I think I speak for everyone when we say everyone loves this DNA, but our main complaint is that it doesn't last at all. So now getting a new Parfum version, hopefully that means it's gonna last a pretty good time. So let's see what it's all about. Oh man, right away I'm liking it, man. I'm liking it. I don't want to get too hyped up, but I'm liking it. Why do I not want to get too hyped up? Because this was $190 for a full 100 milliliter bottle. That is way too expensive, man, for a Dolce&Gabbana The One. Of course, like when they hit the discounters, they're gonna be less than $100, but I don't want to wait until that happens, man. It might be 6 months from now or even a year. Pretty good. It keeps the same tobacco, but I think instead of being more in the opening, this is more in the base, you know, in the dry down. Man, it has some nice sweetness. Kind of resembles the sweetness from YSL Eau de Parfum, either the Eau de Parfum or the Intense. I get a sweet fruity note. I think instead of being green apple, it is some mandarin orange. It has some nutmeg, some spices, some patchouli. This is really good, really spicy, and of course really masculine. Like I said, I don't want to glaze anything too much right now because this is a first impression video, and of course we have nothing to say about the performance, how long it's gonna last, and how it's gonna project. And I feel like this, even though it's called the Parfum version, you expect it to be like a lot maybe spicier. To me, this is more ambers, you know, like more just a little bit of a smoother ambery woody fragrance. I feel like the Eau de Toilette's a little bit more spicy and this one's a little bit more smooth ambery. So I do really like it, man. Again, I don't want to recommend anything to you guys when this is $190 on Macy's, but now that I have it, I'm not gonna complain, and I'm really looking forward to wearing it. If this is how we're starting off the year, man, I know we're still in 2025, but if this is how we're starting off, then I'm so excited because you guys know every year there's a new bunch of colognes releasing. Of course, the Purple Valentino, the new Stronger With You Powerfully, and if this is how we're starting it off, then I'm so excited for the year. I really like this cologne, man. I really do like it. I give it like a solid 8 out of 10 for the first impressions. Let's see what the new Eau de Parfum is all about. So this is the same fragrance, but they claim it'll last way longer. You know, they've been seeing all the reviews, all the negative criticism, so hopefully they really did adjust the longevity and the performance. Ooh, okay. I didn't realize I got the big 5-ounce bottle, so that's pretty cool. Again, this cost me around the same price, around $160 for a 150 milliliter bottle. So I don't know whether it's gonna be worth paying that much when you can get the regular Dolce&Gabbana The One with the Parfum for around $50 to $60 on discounters. But if they really did improve the performance, which is what everyone wants, then it might be worth it when it drops down in price. Ooh, I don't know, man. I don't know. I got a big blast of orange, you know, some mandarin in there. Not that much tobacco. I feel like, I don't know why. I've never been the biggest fan of the Eau de Parfum, even though everyone claims it's better than the Eau de Toilette. I've always been team Eau de Toilette. I don't know. I feel like the Eau de Parfum just it's just a little bit too sweet. Not like too sweet where I get like a headache or something like that. It's just this type of DNA. For me, it's not meant to be that sweet, and I feel like the Eau de Toilette is just better for feeling masculine, you know, like that is what I want from this DNA. I mean, to me, from what I remember, it smells pretty much the same as the old Dolce&Gabbana The One Eau de Parfum. Nothing too different. So hopefully they're not lying when they say they really did improve the performance. But for right now, I'm gonna be so honest, don't even worry about this one, man. Don't even worry about it. If you already got one of the older versions, don't even worry about getting this edition, man, this 2025 edition, because you're not going to get anything different. You're going to have a redundant fragrance, and I don't think paying like $100 more for a better performing fragrance is going to be worth it. I feel like at this point, just go for the new one, the new Parfum version, because they're pretty much the same price. Obviously I did get the bigger bottle, but they're pretty much the same price, but you're getting a different fragrance. And again, it's a Parfum concentration, which means it's just naturally gonna last longer because it has more of the perfume oil, you know? Yeah, man, this one's just beautiful, man. A beautiful blend of masculine tobacco and ambers. So I feel like this one's gonna be the winner, bro. Don't even worry about the new reformulated, the one with the Parfum. If you're gonna get one of these, get the new Dolce&Gabbana The One Parfum. But like I said, I know this is going to be a quick video, but let me talk about the new fragrance releases that are coming in 2025. January, I think we're going to get the new Purple Valentino. That one has vanilla, lavender, and coconut. So hopefully it resembles something like Jean Paul Gaultier Le Beau Parfum, which is amazing, bro. I'm so excited for that new Valentino. The new Stronger With You Parfum is going to have the typical, you know, like woods, you know, ambers, vanillas, chestnuts, but the main note that's going to be different is the notes of cherry. So really excited for that new Stronger With You, man. But all of these are probably going to be so expensive, bro. I'm not ready for these new colognes. If Dolce&Gabbana The One was $190, imagine the new Stronger With You or the new Valentino. Jean Paul Gaultier is releasing Le Male Le Bleu. I don't know when that one's coming, but hopefully it's very soon. I believe a new Phantom by Paco Rabanne's coming out. Phantom Red, something like that. I don't have any Phantoms in my collection, but that might be the first one that's gonna be added, you know, so they better impress me, bro, so I can buy the other flankers that came out before it. So yeah, man, let me know what new release you're the most excited for, and let me know if you're gonna buy the new Dolce&Gabbana Parfum. Again, Christmas present from me to me, but I'm not excited to spend all that money on these new releases. Again, I buy these colognes with my own money, man. I reinvest everything. I wish I got sent PR, but I'm not there yet, but hopefully one day I will. It's all thanks to you guys, man. Thank you guys for supporting me. We're on the road to 9,000 and soon 10,000 subscribers, so thank you very much, and hopefully had a merry happy Christmas. You can sample these new Dolce&Gabbana The Ones on my sampling website. Next video, we're going to be unboxing some new popular clones, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.